Good afternoon, April the 12th, 2016. The official tax day is 4/18 this year, not 4/15. So everybody can get their taxes in. And we came into the market this morning really expecting a trading range. Wanted to sell the 2050 area. Lowered it to the 2040, 2045 area quickly this morning. Got a good trade out of that area. And we wanted to buy 30s to 35. So this was our buy. That was sell 1A, but this was our preferred sell area, and you can see that it hasn't produced much of a trade. And why? Because of the news that we got in here that Saudi Arabia and Russia are going to have a deal this weekend at Doha. But 3-minute chart, 5-minute charts didn't produce very well for us today, so we flipped to the 3. Winner, winner, winner. All these winner. We're across this line. We're just not taking any short trades. Scratch right there. Now we're beneath this and we can take a short trade. That one doesn't trigger. This one does for a loser. Kick back up above the green line. Profile said stay to the long side. So all the action today was from the long side. And if you'd entered off the mom chart and held your position, you were long from 2039.50 all the way up. So 58.75 so far. So it's a pretty good trade, 15 or more points. If we take a look at our F1 screen, and we have news tomorrow, retail sales, that could impact things. Got an outside day that implies trading range on the F1. If we look at our F2, it's going to be a very, very strong P with multiple distributions. And the latest distribution started in J period. So if the market were to close right now at 55, we'd be selling failure to take out 58.62. And 65 to 69, sell 2. On the buy side, we'd be trying to buy the 51.49 area, buy 1. And then our 44.46 for buy 2. Okay, tomorrow's news, retail sales, plus 1/10. X auto, plus 4/10. PPI, plus 3. Probably the price of crude oil. Core, plus 1. Got ahead of myself there. Business inventories. Minus 1/10. And crude, the default number's been plus 3.0. So the focus will be retail sales X auto and PPI. That should give the market plenty to trade off of. Remember, as long as we stay above 2030, this market can trade to 2095, 97. And what would please the Fed more than new contract highs? And what would screw the market's mind more than new contract highs based on all the fundamental information right now? I couldn't think of anything that would do a mind trick on the market more than that. Don't have to really worry about it too much as we're traders, but if you're a portfolio manager, I mean, you got your damn job cut out for you. As far as timing goes, as far as the direction you trade, you have no choice. Okay, tomorrow's the 10-year auction, lower high, lower low. This market says we're headed lower. If the E-mini's trading higher, it's probably true. The intermediate term auction is the one that we anticipate will be lower as we come in. Pretty square distribution. Volume is below time. Favors the sell side. We do have some news tomorrow that can impact the trading. So if we close right here at 17.5, we're going to sell 20s to 24s, sell 1, and then 27s to 31, sell 2. think we're headed a little bit lower, so tempted to put 17s out there, but we'll go 9.13 on the assumption the E-mini is going to continue to rally, and then 1 to 5. Looking at the 30-year, a great contract to trade. Get to a nice split where the auction is, and you can see we've got a break at 8. We got capped at 12. So 7 to 11. That's our number 1. 15 to 19, sell 1. It's working out pretty well. I mean, it's 27 to 31, sell 2. It's kept us out of some bad trades. It's given us some better trade location. 21, 25. Actually, support is 24, 28. So we'll make this 1. 21 to 17 by 1. Then 5 to 9 by 2. If there's going to be a weak auction, it'll be the middle one. Okay, again, I think gold is trading higher, but not every day. And we had that today. We were a little soft in the morning. That's been the pattern. Be soft in the morning, then rally it back. And then see where it closes. Higher low, higher high. Structure still says find a place to buy it. And you can see we have a pretty square distribution with volume over time. So we had a 53.55 buy, worked pretty well for us. So 54.56 buy 1. 51.49 buy 2. On the sell side, we'll make it 63.65 sell 1. 69.71 sell 2. I like the long side. I mean, impeachment proceedings in Brazil. We got crude oil. I mean, there's just so much stuff going on right now, and we don't go by a day without reading about some other country or some company being in serious trouble. So I just think people are going to buy gold, and when they can afford it, have some little extra loot and sit on it. And it's not for trading, it's for peace of mind. Okay, crude oil, how high can it go? Lots of articles starting to come out that crude has bottomed. Probably has. I sure hope so. So where's our clean break in the market? 43.50. We get through that, then basically 45.75. We're in this high volume area, 41.50 right now. We've gotten stops above that high. We've got this K period high that's kind of holding the market. We've got this GE high over here at 43.35. 43, and we're at 41.99. So this market looks like it's trading higher, and might trade a little bit higher yet. So we've got the low volume number at 63. Got stops above 42. So 42 and a quarter, 42.50, sell 1. 42.75, 43, sell 2. On the buy side, 41.50, 41.75, buy 1. And 41 even, 41 and a quarter, buy 2. And last but not least, the 6E. Poor Mario. Everything he does blows up in his face, and the Germans are fussing at him again. And you had to pay attention to what the Germans say, because they're the ones that ultimately foot the bill. And Nancy's telling us we're going to 45. Very easily, Nancy. Very easily. One news article away from 45. Outside day on the euro says trading range. Interesting looking profile. When we get a P in a down market, it's short covering. We have a P in a down market. Somebody has decided to cover shorts, and we talked about it this morning. This 1375, and our number 2 buy was 1375, 1385. Worked out pretty well. So we're rejecting prices above 42.25 as it stands right now. Pretty close. So 25, 35, sell 1. 50 to 60, sell 2. On the buy side, last rotate down was just below 114 even. So we'll make 1375.85 again, buy 1. Then 1350 plus or minus buy 2. And that'll do it for April the 12th, 2016. You all have a great evening. I'll see you bright and early in the AM. I'm out of here.